Hey, sometimes stick vacuums and pebbles don't play well together. And what I mean by that is they don't pick them up. You turn off the volume and it gets away. We've got a dog in here. Anyway, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make sure the stick vacuum cleans up all the pebbles that come into your house. So, for instance, if you look at my shoes, this is a major culprit, at least in our house, of pebbles making it in there. So I'm going to go ahead, take you upstairs and show you what needs to be done. So let's go. Okay, before I get cleaned up, we're going to have to entertain Jeb. Right there. What do you want, Jeb? You want the ball? Go get it. All right, let's go. Okay, I'm going to pick out all the pebbles and then we'll start vacuuming. Okay, so I've cleaned out my shoes. They're rock free, as you can see. But just to be safe, I made sure, whoa. We got backup rocks in case we need them. Yeah, there we go, perfect. So you can see all the rocks there that have come out of my shoe. I'm going to turn the vacuum on. We're just going to vacuum up. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah. Okay, I think I've got them all. I'm going to turn off the vacuum now. So I'm going to vacuum up again. All right. Okay, now I'm going to turn the power on high. That's it. Do over. One last try. Okay. Third time's a charm. Yeah, that didn't go exactly as planned, but the gist of it is you've got to turn the vacuum up to full power. Stick vacuums don't have great battery life. In other words, they don't last forever. If you had a corded vacuum, it would last, but because it's a cordless vacuum, you're going to need to use full power when you want to pick up pebbles. And since we're here, we're going to catch a bee. So let's watch what I'm doing here. Say goodbye. He's probably in here somewhere. But that's it.